Guys, it's finally here. So what we're gonna be doing today, it's gonna be pretty much an unboxing of this gaming chair that I just purchased online. My boy Loach is actually gonna come over right now to do the unboxing with me, so you guys can see how we unbox it, we build it, the whole nine. Right now, it actually looks like this. Guys, this is the exact link from Amazon. You see here the JL Conferring Gaming Chair Racing Style. Now, the reason why I wanted to add this into the video is that you guys can see the price and where I got it from. Now, it's a pretty big jump from what I have currently to what we're about to have now. You guys are gonna actually see what I used to game on, and that chair, it's just been going at a downward scale ever since I got it. I mean, back problems and all that. So hopefully this is going to be a good fix for it. So yeah, we're actually gonna go right into the video. So I'll see you guys there. All right. So now that you guys seen what it looks like on the internet, this is the actual picture of the box. It's pretty big. I love the packaging on it. You got the letters on it. It's JL Comforting. You can see there. We're doing a big jump because this used to be the chair that I used to game on. And it's a pretty big upgrade. So I'm actually pretty excited about it as Loach is on his way, and I think that's actually him right now. Yep, that's actually him. Southside. Yo, what's good, bro?
So what's up?
Oh my goodness. So Loach is in the building.
Let me get this camera. Let's see what's up to YouTube. Yo, what's good, y'all boys? Yo. Hey, Remus, told me he got a box for me, but I didn't know that shit was this big. Oh man.
What the? It's not that big. Is that?
Yeah, man. So what we got for you guys today is the JL Conferring Gaming Chair.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing an unboxing.
Bro, yo, Remus, this camera's too good, bro. This shit got me looking. Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
man.
Okay. Alright, well.
That's the best. Alright, so we're gonna be using a prehistoric type of scissor. Usually it works a lot easier with a box knife. We don't got any of those. We struggling out here. This is how it looks like, ladies and gentlemen. Just get the last part over here. We're good. Alright. Looks like it has the base part of it first.
Yeah.
See that? Wow, look, get that smell in. I don't know if the camera can catch the smell.
Y'all smell that?
It's like that new car smell. You know?
Yeah.
Wow. This baby looks awesome.
Blue?
Like little blue covers, you know?
Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Alright.
Obviously, read the manual. Because if not, this is going to be one of those where you just never get out of. But it comes like in a little envelope, you see?
Oh wow, fancy.
Yeah, they fancy with it. Yeah, we're definitely gonna be needing this, so don't want to throw this out. Alright, let's see what else is here.
Man, you sure this isn't a racing seat?
Right, that's exactly what I was thinking. Look at it, comes a nice little plastic cover.
Nice, nice.
See where your buttocks goes. Guys, this is where my behind is gonna be for several hours. I want to make sure it's nice and comfy.
Nice. Do we know if it's leather, plastic?
I have no idea, man.
No idea.
But I can't wait to find out. Okay, so now
Alright, everything's out the box.
got that part out of the way. Go ahead and get the box out.
Alright. We're gonna start building it, and I'm gonna take his old chair home. What are you gonna start off on first, man?
What's up there, man?
Are we using a manual or not?
Maintenance manual.
Mine.
Right.
Right. Right, and then you got this. I don't know what it is, but looks like you got a free gift.
Okay. That definitely says free gift. We gotta redeem that. Alright, YouTube, here's where you're gonna go, okay? Tripod, YouTube, tripod.
Wheel.
Alright, YouTube. We got a lot of it done. We got the seat, the arm bars, the whole levitation system. We're doing alright. How long have we been at this? 2 hours, right?
Yeah, just about.
This is about. Two handymans. If you guys need anything built around the house, just leave a comment. Hey, matter of fact, bro, if y'all made it this far and y'all didn't even like the video, y'all need to pause it and get to it, man. Cause this is where the real stuff is gonna start. This is just an appetizer. It's really about to go down. It's really about to go. Like, what the hell is this, bro?
New Colgate Total Whole Mouth Health Toothpaste.
What is this? I don't know. Chair, hello, wine. I know y'all saw the time lapse and everything. And thank God they made that feature, cause this guy right here been putting that arm bar for a good 30 minutes. Boy, got the matching socks with the chair, bro. No, y'all need to stop underestimating my boy Remessy. By the way, he's on Twitch, REMESSY.
Double SEY or SY.
REMESS.
Yeah, I don't even know how to spell my name, bro.
That's true.
Is that bad? You don't need to know that, right?
You're doing just fine. Right now, look. It says put that shit there and then attach the covers.
I was gonna touch it.
Right here.
Is it one?
Yeah. Look at that.
Did you get this part in? Fine.
I don't even know how to put that on, to be honest with you. You got it?
Yeah.
Yo, YouTube, this shit's tiring as fuck, bro. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. You know, just the finishing touches. That's it right there, boys. Turn
How
around.
does shit look, Ray?
It looks nice.
Bro, look. Put that shit on me, bro. Oh, this is first impressions.
What do you think? What's going through your mind?
What is going through my mind? So right now what I'm doing, I am picturing myself. Look, damn, bro, look how sweaty.
Yeah.
Woo! Listen, it was hard work,
Very hard.
but it actually paid off. It was pretty fun. I don't know about you. But let's see if this works. So what am I doing first?
Press the one that makes you lay down all the way. Chill.
Hold on, put the camera away. I remember it had words on it. Where is it, bro?
That's on the right hand side.
Oh, that's this one.
Okay, so we got up and down working. Okay.
We got that. Okay, that works.
Okay. What about the feature we've been waiting for?
Oh, shit.
Whoa. Damn, Reminator. Man, there you go.
It was like rusty. It was like, cause it's so new
Mm.
that you just had to play with it. That's pretty much it. You want to try it?
I'm not gonna try it.
A few moments later.
Okay. I'm just trying to get. This feels really
Kind of like what?
hard.
Does it?
There's no like cushion.
You mean when you lay your arms, right?
Yeah. That's when it goes up and down.
Yeah. I mean, try to go higher, as high as you can, like standing up. That's it.
I mean, based on these cups, it should go higher. But then again, who plays on the desk the size of the chest?
For real. Take off.
Bro, this shit goes all the way.
Yeah, you're like completely 180.
Bro.
Yo,
This is not even healthy.
yo, you just like straightened out your back. You're more than 180.
Yeah.
Let me see if I get in a different angle. Hold on, I'll get up here.
My spine is literally like.
Oh, it's a good angle here. Holy
It
cow.
feels like I just fell off a building and I'm like, ah. And I just landed on like concrete and like right on my back.
Yeah.
Damn, dog.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn, damn. Okay.
Back at it again with the wife.
It's a nice chair. It's a nice little chair. Alright, y'all boys, listen, man. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. We came here, we got it done. Remisy has a new gaming chair.
Feels good.
Shit.
We did it.
Just don't get another one
Right,
until
right.
like another few years.
Exactly.
This chair gonna be in the trash by tomorrow morning. Y'all need a chair. Come get it. It's yours free. Nah, but like I said, bro, in the beginning, y'all need to like this video. Me and Remisy got, you know, some vlogs coming out on the way.
Yeah, man. We're actually thinking of some right now as we speak.
Bro, I'm planning on cutting off my chin hair, okay? Now, we need challenges, so if you know any challenges that me and Remisy can do, like IRL or like over video games, whatever, leave them in the comments. You can hit up my Twitter. Everything's gonna be in the description, so make sure y'all do that because we trying to chop this off if I lose, but...
Yeah. And then for me, I'm gonna be on the other part of the challenge. So if I lose, everything's coming off, and I'm also gonna be cutting my hair. So you guys just let us know in the comment section below. Definitely hit that smash button on the like and subscribe. But more videos are coming your guys' way.
Yeah, Lotion Baby, we do this. We out. We tuning off the 1s and 2s, man. Please.
Did you get that?
Yeah. So you're gonna be.
You're gonna record this.
Absolutely, we're gonna get a nice little close up here. So this is the bottom of the chair, y'all, right? Look at this dude's arm bar. Bro, you're what?
Oh my.
See, this is how it's supposed to be, you know, a little thing on the bottom, because this is the bottom of the chair.
There's a little,
That boy trying to get
little
a
off, but
a little bit, right?
we're working it.
Yeah, that boy trying to get a gamer advantage.
That's hilarious, bro. Alright, so now I got my mental picture on. So we're definitely gonna be right this time.
So, what happened? Not only did he put it upside down and then fixed it,
Oh man,
but
this
he
is
put the
hilarious.
armrest the wrong way.
I'm so done. Where's the still thing at?
Yikes. Backtrack.